واذكر عبادنا إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب أولي الأيدي والأبصار.
And remember our servants Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. They were endowed with great strength and vision.
إنا أخلصناهم بخالصة ذكر الدار.
Verily, we exalted them in consideration of a sterling quality, their remembrance of the abode of the hereafter.
وإنهم عندنا لمن المصطفين الأخيار.
In our sight, they are among the chosen and excellent ones.
واذكر إسماعيل واليسع وذا الكفل وكل من الأخيار.
And remember Ishmael, Elisha, and Dhul-Kifl. All were of the best.
هذا ذكر وإن للمتقين لحسن مآب.
This was a remembrance. An excellent retreat awaits the God-fearing.
جنات عدن مفتحة لهم الأبواب.
Everlasting gardens with gates wide open for them.
متكئين فيها يدعون فيها بفاكهة كثيرة وشراب.
Wherein they shall recline, wherein they shall ask for abundant fruit and drinks.
وعندهم قاصرات الطرف أتراب.
And wherein there shall be with them well-matched bashful mates.
هذا ما توعدون ليوم الحساب.
All this is what you are promised for the day of judgment.
إن هذا لرزقنا ما له من نفاد.
This is our provision for you, never to end.
هذا وإن للطاغين لشر مآب.
All this is for the God-fearing, but for the transgressors an evil resort awaits them.
جهنم يصلونها فبئس المهاد.
Hell, where they will be roasted, an evil place to dwell.
هذا فليذوقوه حميم وغساق.
All this is for them, so let them taste boiling water and pus.
وآخر من شكله أزواج.
And other sufferings of the kind.
هذا فوج مقتحم معكم لا مرحبا بهم إنهم صالوا النار.
Observing their followers advancing to hell, they will say among themselves, "This is a troop rushing into you. There's no welcome for them. They are destined to roast in the fire."
قالوا بل أنتم لا مرحبا بكم أنتم قدمتموه لنا فبئس القرار.
They will reply, "Rather, no welcome to you. You will roast in hell. It is you who led us to this end. What an evil resort."
قالوا ربنا من قدم لنا هذا فزده عذابا ضعفا في النار.
They will say, "Our Lord, give twofold punishment in the fire to him who has led us to this."
وقالوا ما لنا لا نرى رجالا كنا نعدهم من الأشرار. الأشرار.
They will say to one another, but why do not we see those whom we considered among the wicked?
أتخذناهم سخريا أم زاغت عنهم الأبصار.
Is it that we mistakenly made fun of them, or have they disappeared from our sight?
إن ذلك لحق تخاصم أهل النار.
Verily, all this is true. This is how the inmates of the fire will dispute among themselves.
قل إنما أنا منذر وما من إله إلا الله الواحد القهار.
Tell them, O Prophet, I am nothing but a warner. There's no deity but Allah, the One, the Supreme.
رب السماوات والأرض وما بينهما العزيز الغفار.
The Lord of the heavens and the earth and all that is in between them, the most mighty, the most forgiving.
قل هو نبأ عظيم.
Say, this is a tiding of tremendous import.
أنتم عنه معرضون.
From which you are turning away.
ما كان لي من علم بالملأ الأعلى إذ يختصمون.
Tell them, I had no knowledge of the high council when they were disputing.
إن يوحى إلي إلا أنما أنا نذير مبين.
I'm told about matters by means of revelation only because I am a clear warner.
إذ قال ربك للملائكة إني خالق بشرا من طين.
When your Lord said to the angels, verily, I am creating a human being from clay.
فإذا سويته ونفخت فيه من روحي فقعوا له ساجدين.
After I have created him and breathed into him of my spirit, fall you down, prostrating yourselves to him.
فسجد الملائكة كلهم أجمعون.
Then the angels, all of them, prostrated themselves before Adam.
إلا إبليس استكبر وكان من الكافرين.
Except Iblis. He waxed proud and became one of the unbelievers.
قال يا إبليس ما منعك أن تسجد لما خلقت بيدي أستكبرت أم كنت من العالين.
The Lord said, O Iblis, what prevented you from prostrating yourself before him, whom I created of my two hands? Are you waxing proud, or fancy yourself to be too exalted?
قال أنا خير منه خلقتني من نار وخلقته من طين.
He replied, I am nobler than he. You created me from fire and created him from clay.
قال فاخرج منها فإنك رجيم.
He said, Get out of here. Surely you are accursed.
وإن عليك لعنتي إلى يوم الدين.
And my curse shall remain upon you till the day of resurrection.
قال رب فأنظرني إلى يوم يبعثون.
Satan said, My Lord, then grant me respite till the day that they are raised up.
قال فإنك من المنظرين.
He said, You are of those who have been granted respite
إلى يوم الوقت المعلوم.
till the day whose hour I know.
قال فبعزتك لأغوينهم أجمعين.
Iblis said, By your glory I shall mislead them all,
إلا عبادك منهم المخلصين.
except those of your servants, the chosen ones from amongst them.
قال فالحق والحق أقول.
He, that is Allah, said, This is the truth, and I only speak the truth.
لأملأن جهنم منك وممن تبعك منهم أجمعين.
I will certainly fill the Gehenna with you, and with all those among them who follow you.
قل ما أسألكم عليه من أجر وما أنا من المتكلفين.
O Prophet, tell them, I do not ask you for any recompense for the performance of this task, nor am I given to affectation.
إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
This is nothing but an admonition for all people the world over.
وَلَتَعْلَمُنَّ نَبَأَهُ بَعْدَ حِينٍ.
You will know the truth of the matter after a while.